What's up, folks? We're going to do a recap of everything we did earlier. We need to put our drum back, though. Y'all remember UCAD we took earlier? We got in around here somewhere. Our stop loss was here. Nope, I'm sorry. We got in over here somewhere earlier. You know what? I can't remember. It was in the video. But we're still up on our trade. We took more entries in this area. Right now, we just entered the market. And we're actually taking it lower. Let's get our screen up a little bit. I want to take our first profit will be there. That's our first target. And the second target is here. So far the trade's looking good. We're in the money. You can catch it on the previous video to find out this is very inaccurate on how the stop loss was. It was a little higher. But we got it on the previous video, the trade setup for UCAD foreign exchange. Let's look at some markets for some setups for the Asian session. Let's see what we have here. GBP JPY just hit a critical area. It looks like it can buy up. I was waiting for this today. Let me see if my alert went off. Doesn't look like I have one set for this one. It's cool. We're going to mark this here. JBP JPY for the Asian session. Let's look for the trade tonight. We're inside of a daily IMG fill. We do have a little liquidity. Let's see what we can make it back up to. Let's double check here. That's the value on the daily, which matches here. All right, let's check it out. Let's mark out 30-minute up. What we really want to see is a nice breaking structure on a 1 minute to take this trade. Inside of the daily IMG fill, it could still fall a little bit. Here's a 30-minute cycle. 1, 2, 3. It's still kind of trending down in the fifth stage. We'll have to wait this out. Possibly London session. The Asian markets aren't giving us our entry that we want. It hasn't broke structure on this 1 minute. What we like to see is a break here. If it gives us this out of this area, it can be pretty sweet, but I'm not predicting it. I'm not even going to guess it. I just want to see it happen. Mainly for one reason, it's not in London session, although it's Asian session. And for two, it's too much accumulation going on right here. There's not enough up and down phases here. Got a small cycle here, value line of 157.05. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it should probably continue down. Where's the bottom of this IMG? 156.63. Let's see what that looks like. Let's get rid of our eyes for a minute. Okay, so this is the bottom of the IMG here. Looking for a clean area that hasn't been really affected that we can take this buy. I might need my eyes back just to see the breaking structure. Here's the high. Wow. So price did return 79%. It returned to order. I don't know, man. I don't see nothing strong enough to really buy this here. It's a lot of this going on. Liquidity. Maybe at the bottom. It's just not looking like a good buy for me. Not at the bottom. Only way we're going to buy this is a breaking structure in this area in 1 minute. So we'll set an alert for structures. 157.11. We need to see it close above that pretty strong. Then we'll buy it. We do have a nice reversal pattern, but I don't really believe in that too much. We'll just wait. Let's set my alert real quick. For GBP, JPY. 157. What we say, 157.11 the high? Yeah, 157.11. Buy on retrace. All right, let's see what else we got going on in the Asian sessions. Let's look at here. This looks interesting. USDJPY. Let's check it out real quick. We are already in a UCAD trade. I don't like too much trading the same, but let's just check it out for your purposes. Definitely broke structure. It broke structure, but it never returned to order. Hold up. Sorry, y'all. Never got to return, so it's just downtrending pretty bad. Sheesh. I don't think this daily is going to be valid. We might have to move up a little bit. Let's go to the weekly. Because we never got the return. So we just hit a weekly value area. And I'm going to just say this is not safe to trade. There's no clear direction. It's a couple value areas it hit, but it just hit another one. It could be bouncing up and down. With that being said, I'll move on. Looks for some other ones to trade. What about Aussie JPY? In a minute, I'm going to shut this stream down too if we can't find too much tonight. And I'm going to go to the stocks, look for some stock options for tomorrow or this week. See what we got. Okay, let's see here. Okay, this looks more interesting. Here's the low. This looks a lot interesting. Sheesh. This is clear. This is much clearer. Definitely broke structure. We're pretty bearish. Let's see if we can find our value on the daily. Looks like a good area right here. I don't like it to be strong enough. It's not a good area. So let's try looking for the highs and lows. Here we go. There we go. There's the value on the daily. As you can see how price keeps reacting to that value before finally making a move, comes back to it. Yeah, there it is. So we bearish. Let's look for some setups. This is going to be pretty clean, y'all. Let's get this money. AUD JPY. You can see it broke structure here. It already went below this low here. Let's see. Are we inside of a daily order candle, IOC, for us to follow this flow that's coming? Yes, we are. And there's a daily IMG right there. Well, we'll just mark the IOC. Cool. So we're in this 30-minute flow. I don't too much like taking trades when it's already at these lows. But we kind of like already inside of the daily IOC. If I draw from here to here, it just doesn't seem right yet. Let's look at the 1 minute. Yeah, the 1 minute gives us a better picture on how to take the entry. So let's label out some things here. Got an IMG fill, IOC right here on a 30-minute. Let's see if that matches with this fib. Not necessarily. We just need confirmations to take trades, guys. We can't just take trades. We know we're a little bearish, but we want to get a very good entry. Broke there. All right, I like the price to come back here to this area. Possibly to the 60% right here. So let's get rid of this one. I'm going to follow this daily flow. And We're going to take the trade at this IMG fill right here. At 91.03. Let's show you what the stop loss is going to look like. Set this up. We're going to risk about 11 pips. And we can take this to that daily level. You can't even see it. Hold up. I gotta make this bigger. Alright, there we go. Now we got it. That's the trade we're taking. Let's get rid of these fibs. We'll put them back on to see how price reacts. So it never, let's see, price kind of broke structure here, but it never returned to order. So this would be perfect. If the price decides to buy up, I think it buys up down here. And this would be our exit from our sales. I'm just leery about buys right now because of the flow. The daily already broke structure. It should be heading down to these demand zones, at least here. Let's see for the year. Yeah, it should be definitely coming down in one of these zones here. Liquidity right here on the daily. I feel confident in this sell. Alright guys, so I'm going to wrap up with this AUD JPY trade for the night. I do like this to happen. I'm going to set my alerts now for this entry. Get my phone off this thing here. Alright, AUD JPY. I'm looking to enter the market at 91.03. So I'm going to put my alert at like 90, 98. Just so I can see the price action. Alright. So our alerts are in. And I'm also going to probably just stab one more alert in there in case I missed this trade. Because it's possible you can miss it. I'm trying to get a good price and... Oops. Sorry. Trying to get a good price, and sometimes the price you want is just not feasible. Like it's a whole different story now. It's holding the 50. But we'll see. I don't know, guys. This trade looks pretty juicy because it's already holding the 50 and it's inside of that daily IOC. What time is it? 30-minute candle just closed. This could be our entry. Yeah, this is our entry, guys. Just gonna have to risk like 8 more pips, but this is definitely the entry. I'll take a small lot size. AUD JPY. Forex crosses. That wasn't even on my watch list. That's crazy. I'll take a small entry on it. It's holding it. It has liquidity. I'm going to do a twin lot. Do a small entry here. If it comes up here, I'll get the other entry. Ultimately, stop loss is still here. All right. So I hope everybody has a good week trading. Tomorrow's Friday. NFP news. I hope I can catch y'all in the morning, man. I'm gonna try my hardest to get up on the charts in the morning with y'all. I'm gonna definitely be on them, but I'll be focused on Friday. So we're gonna see how it works out. In any event, you guys take it easy and have a good one.